Rancho Bonito, and we're gonna fucking get lit today. Let's go. Alright guys, so for this video, our goal is to get to this lake right here, and we're gonna get as muddy as possible trying to get there. Basically, the only way to get to this lake is you need a 4x4 vehicle. You know, people have done it on their 450s and stuff, Banshees and whatever, but they usually don't survive all the way to the lake. So yeah, we can see, let's see if we make it, you know. We're out here with like what, 300 other people. You know, it's Valentine's Day weekend, so it's gonna be pretty lit. So yeah, see you guys over there. Wow, what a ride we had today, man. I don't even know where to begin. The ride was awesome. You know, meeting all those cool people out there. I wasn't even expecting it to be that packed, but yeah, I mean, you just never know sometimes we go to these places. It was an awesome ride today. Awesome ride. You know, I was really glad to see all these people and stuff. You know, it was really fun crossing these mud holes and stuff like that. So it was pretty cool. You know, I'm glad that we got to have all our friends out there too. So it was a blast. It was a blast for sure. Contemplating to see if I can maybe take my four-wheeler out here maybe next time. It doesn't have 4x4, so it'll be a challenge for sure. I don't know if I'll make it across that river, but hey, we'll see. So anyways, guys, I think that's it for me. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you like the videos. You know, if you made it stick around this long, hit that subscribe button. It helps us out a lot. So well, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.